So the drums will come in on the hi-hat, and kind of, again, my thinking behind this, the reason why we're going to switch to palm muting here is because there is a groove, but the hi-hat's closed. And I know, so this is an acoustic lesson, but we're talking a lot about other instruments. It's so important, no matter what song you're playing, to make sure that you are not just a great listener of your instrument and what you're playing and understanding what you're hearing and making sure you're playing the right things, but you also want to be a great listener of everybody else, because when you're listening to the other musicians around you, you're able to lock in to the groove, you're able to get that feel right. And so, again, talking about the drums, when you hear that hi-hat that's closed, it's a really tight groove. I like palm muting because, again, that makes our strumming a little tighter. So I'm going to play through that, and then we'll show you, we'll just break that down, kind of what I'm doing. Okay, so again, as you can see, we're still playing the progression now, playing those chords, but we're palm muting. Okay, so you get the idea. And again, we want to make sure this groove is nice and tight. If the drums, the hi-hat is closed, if you hear that closed hi-hat, again, the vocals are still in unison. All of these are indicators of our dynamics. So if our dynamics are still lower, we don't want to play full out because it's not going to match the feel of where we're at in the song. So at this point, we're still not at our biggest place yet, but just walking through kind of what's going on. And just so you know, just to make sure we have the right chords going, what I'm playing is just 1, 4, this 1 or 1 over 5, and then 5 resolved. Then I'm playing a 1 over 3, then 4, and then kind of this 1 over 5, 5, and then back to the 1. And so that's pretty much the progression that we play for the majority of the time. The only difference is on the chorus. So the chorus is 1, 4, that kind of 1 over 5, and then to the 5. Then we do this quick 6, 1 over 3, back to the 4, and then this 1 over 5, 5, 1.